Hello, it's Cecilia from Virtuas. Today we'll be going over how to recover older versions of files as well as deleted files from OneDrive. So let's say you're working on something like this presentation and you could have been collaborating with someone and they went in and they made a couple of mistakes, or you deleted something pretty important like this flowchart. So the file has already autosaved and you think, oh no, you have to go back and redo everything. The good news is you don't, and you can fix this by using version history. So let's go back to OneDrive and you can go to the file and click the three dots next to it. Then scroll down until you see version history and click that. So what you see here are the different types of versions on this file as well as when it was modified and who it was modified by. So scroll down until you find a version where it didn't have the mistakes and you can click that and click restore. You can see that it popped up right here, and when you go back to your file and you open it, you'll see the flowchart that we deleted. Alright, let's go back to OneDrive, and let's say you accidentally deleted the wrong file. Instead of deleting the Word document, you deleted this presentation. There's a recycle bin to your left, and it's pretty similar to what you have on your desktop. The file will be here temporarily, and if you don't see it, just click refresh and it'll show up. So you can click the file and you can either choose to restore it or delete it permanently. So let's click restore, and you can go back to your files, and there's the file. Again, if you don't see it, just refresh it and it'll pop up. That's all we have for today's video. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time.